Sir, sir, itapusin muna natin yung partial list. Tapos proceed tayo sa supplemental budget. So, any other dun sa partial list na dalawa? O kung wala na, we proceed to, before we proceed to communications received, tackle na natin itong unassigned business para hindi na matagalan yung ating department heads dito. So, Madam Secretary, Annual Investment Program number 9?
9, sir.
9 and supplemental budget number 6. May we recognize our local finance committee in attendance. Ma'am Wayne, you have the floor.
Good morning po, sir and ma'am. This is our supplemental budget number 6. Together with the our supplemental EIP. These are the alignment of our savings from personal services and from our trust fund, the one you have previously approved for the purchase of our personal protective equipment. Then our payment for the CNA and payment of the wages for our JO at the executive department. I will also take this opportunity, sir, to make corrections on the ones I have submitted. Kasi po yung ating special risk allowance for our city health officer, magbabayad po nito is our national government. So I will correct this, sir. At ang amount na po na ito, ilalagay na lang po namin under the capital outlay purchase of various equipment.
Yung dalawa. Yung previous ko na yun. We're referring to this page para po sa mga gustong sumunod.
Appropriation of funds po.
So, statement of supplemental appropriation calendar 2020. Basically, meron tayong savings na 7.8 million. At ito po yung proposal na i-aalat yung 7.8 million po na yun. Go ahead, ma'am.
And for our CND bonus, 1,866,908.84. So, specific lang po siya doon sa ating mga savings from the payment of fixed expenditures like telephone, electricity, and traveling, advertisement, yung nandun sa ating CND. So, thank you very much po sa pag-ibigay po ng additional funds.
Ito, 10,000 per ganun. Pag-usapan pa ng sagunan. Any questions po sa ating
Yes, Mr. Chair. Doon sa same page na yun, statement of supplemental appropriation. Una, bakit ang laki nung kwan? Ito sa CG, sa GSOP, 3.4 million.
Sir, ang sweldo po ng day ko namin for 1 month is 5 million, sir.
per month? Lahat na po yun.
Yes, sir.
Natin, yun natin lahat.
Day ko lang po natin.
Pati tourism kasama. Ano ba na po ba?
Yes, sir, lahat ng day ko sa tourism, sir, under na lang ang general services po.
5M per month. Okay.
So ito, dagdag sa
Sweldo po nila ng isang day.
nila. Wala na sa retail budget.
Sweldo lahat po. Sweldo lahat.
Sweldo lahat, sir. Hindi naman na po ako pwedeng maglagay sa MOE kasi hindi na rin lang magagastos. Kasi nga po, may puso po. Kaya nilagay ko po sa capital outlay yung mga expense. Na sana po, hindi nilalagay ko sa service, recognition, incentive, so sa circular, so far wala pa po.
Pero itong 3.4 million, lahat sahod.
Opo.
So, what if wala tayong savings? Ano ba bayad natin sa sahod nila? gagawa, hahanap tayo.
Kaya nga po sir, hindi pa nag-fill up si Gamer.
Para, what happens ma'am, for example, itong MOOP or yung PPE, ay hindi natin na allocate sa supplemental budget na ito. Parang, revert lang sa general fund and then for supplemental next year. Tama po ba?
Ito kasi sir, itong payment na ay purchase of PPE is, ito po yung nanggaling sa trust fund sir. Kaya gagawin po namin agad ito ng PR. Yung trust fund, pinahinga namin ng policy.
Aha. Galing sa trust fund. Bakit ano yung initial, saan siya nakapondo? Una.
Trust fund from national government po sir.
Aha.
Na inalaw po ng ating bayanihan to recover as
Hmm.
one. Na pwedeng galawin yung mga dormant.
Ito yun.
Opo.
Dormant, ano yung sort dormant accounts for the trust? O tama, 700 something. And then mahahabol pa yan pwede. Kung hindi natin sinupplemental na yun dito, next year pwede pa ihabol? O...
Sir, kung ano, kung i-extend po nila yung circular sa sa national circular. Parang yung accounts payable na lang namin sir.
And then the rest, wala ka rin malagyan, sa continuing na lang. Yung itong capital outlay na lang. Okay. Any other questions? Consider
Doon sa item na yun, sa special situation na yun, sa message na yun, yung uuwi, yung CVs natin doon, bibili na nila-line ng CVs, pati ng
Yes sir, ito yung ano sir, ito yung trust fund sir.
okay.
Pero
Pero yung PPE,
ito yung trust
equipment, ano yung equipment na yun? Kaninong department pupunta?
executive po sir.
Saan pa lang sige.
Hindi sir, actually nga yan sir, i-ano ko sana, hintay ko sana kung meron kayo circular guiding service recognition in service.
Okay.
Usually kasi sir, last year, dumating yun ng December 20, yung 10,000 tayo. Pwede mo po ba, ano, in case po sir, na mayroong ganong circular, pwede po ba, instead na PPE, purchase of various equipment, igamit ko na lang yung service incentive.
In-expect ba natin na meron darating na circular for
Yes sir.
natin? Ilagay na natin
I-expect po
doon.
sir.
Ilagay na natin doon.
Kaya nga sir, kung i-revise ko rin po ito,
Paano
i-revise
din?
ko ng ano,
Paano doon dumating yung circular?
PPE.
Maganda naman. Magawa pa nila resolution.
Kaya nga sir, meron na, pwede kayo mag-revise.
Ilang araw pa ba?
Pag hindi inalat sa PPE,
Kasi pag PPE sir, kung
Okay,
PPE
yun.
operation siya,
pero kung hindi,
kung hindi
nasa general fund siya.
magiging surplus.
na-appropriate natin next year. Diba? Kasi ang
General na yun. Sa general.
Kasi ang concern ko, kung nagkukulang tayo sa general services, sobra tayo sa PPE, the next year, if the need arises, hindi allocated sa isang bagay na priority natin. I mean, pareho lang naman yan. Ito lang, ilagay mo lang dyan, pinart mo lang dyan. And then we can supplement it next year.
Kahit na naka-PPE sir, kung gusto gawin source of fund mayor, pwede naman namin gawin.
Pagluhin. Or pwedeng PPE or pwedeng surplus. Parang naman. Pareho lang. Kumbaga itong 1.4 plus 100,000 plus 132,000, wala pa talagang specific na equipment na gagawin. So any questions po? Any other questions? So, kung wala na, hindi, dun sa ano naman, discuss ko na rin po yung sa CNA bonus. So meron po tayong savings na 1.8 million sa legislative dahil wala pong naka-travel sa ating lahat. Naging malaki yung savings natin doon. And then ang hinihingi sana nung high ace kanina is joke ako na tapatan daw yung 1 million. Sabi hindi ko kaya. So, hindi natin kaya. So, kasi wala naman tayong income. Marami rin tayong kailangan pinag-iipunan for next year, lalo-lalo na we have our legislative duty. So, nagsabi ako ng ballpark amount ng mga 300,000. So, sabi niya kung pwede pa 5. Sabi ko, tanongin ko rin yung mga counselors. So, sa ngayon po, yung nakalagay ko sa supplemental definition po is 300,000 po yung ambag natin sa union. So, kung okay po kayo doon, go na po natin to. Kung gusto niyo pong dagdagan, bawasan, pag-usapan po natin mga. So, any other questions po kay Ma'am Weng and sa Local Finance Committee?
Yung bang sin mo sa 1.8 chassis dito, kasama na yung kung sakasakali yung 300 o what natin?
Yes, sir.
Para sa mga.
Ako, 1.5 something po kasi. Nagbigay dito ako sa application. 3,800 po. 3,810.61. Pero kung ba sa atin, meron po tayo spending.
Bawas.
Deduction.
15%, diba?
15%.
Plus 200 pesos.
15% of 3,800.
Ba't hindi kaya kunin na lang dun sa iaalat sa PPE? Yung ilalagay dun sa CMA. Hindi mo pwede.
Kasi talagang may accounting din po kasi.
May items lang. Okay. Any other questions po?
Nasa iyo po yan, sir. Gusto mo po namin.
Okay. Any questions? Okay, kung wala na, thank you very much, our Local Finance Committee. Happy holidays po and Merry Christmas po sa inyo. Galing po sa Sanggunian. Pag may Merry Christmas kayo, pag may Christmas party pala, tawagin, fellowship. Sige po. So, thank you very much po.
Thank you rin po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Doon naman sa SAIT, wala naman, ito na rin yun, di ba? Ito na rin yun, di ba? Same lang, 20 resolution. So, we will now leave the suspension of the rules. Regarding the said items, what is the pleasure? Item number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Mr. Chair, under proposed resolutions on items number 1, 2, and 3, I move that they be repeated in the minutes of the day for deliberation.
Shall we include the supplemental budget as well?
Including the supplemental budget and the SAIT.
Okay. It's been moved by Councilor Sharil Wagab, seconded by Councilor Apple Barry, Councilor Pagdalares, Councilor Sison, to include the set for items in the business of the day for deliberation. Regarding the concern of Councilor Raul Bakay, shall we also include that in the business of the day? It's been moved by Councilor Bakay, seconded by Councilor De Castro, to include, to adopt a resolution extending the collection of parking fees for todas. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is included in the data review. Councilor De Castro, Secretary.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It appears that Councilor Rafael is an official witness. I just like that matter we discussed by the body with respect to the amendment of our curfew hours to conform to the provincial ordinance so as to make it legal.
Okay.
So, for purpose of deliberation, and anyway, we have already conducted a public hearing for that matter, so may I ask that may I request that the matter be debated in the business of the day for deliberation, amending our local ordinance with respect to the curfew from 8 to 5 to be amended as 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, it's been moved by Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Albacete, Councilor May, Councilor Sison, to calendar ko na for second reading, that's third reading na naman. Pwede. So, calendar ko na second reading kasi calendar the said ordinance that is previously archived to now to be discussed for second reading later in our agenda. Any objections? Meaning not the said item is calendar for second reading later in our session. Okay? Madam Secretary, communications proceed.
Under communications received for review, we have Barangay Ordinance number 1 of Barangay Pandan, titled Ordinance Amending Barangay Tax Ordinance number 1 series of 2008, entitled Revised Barangay Tax Ordinance on Levying of Fees and Charges of the Code in Article 4, Section 152, subsection B of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code, and Barangay Ordinance number 2, also of Barangay Pandan, entitled an ordinance regulating the use of beach and foreshore areas within the territorial water of Barangay Pandan and Avino City, Pangasinan, providing fines and penalties for violation thereof and for other purposes. And also ordinance number 3 of the same barangay, entitled an ordinance amending ordinance number 2005-02, entitled Ordinance Regulating the Operations of Bichuoke within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Pandan and Avino City, Pangasinan. And the next item is the review of Barangay Aneste annual budget of 25 barangays.
Okay, so Councilor De Castro, when do you want to schedule the said barangay ordinances? January 22, what time po? Councilor De Castro moves to schedule a committee hearing regarding item number 1, 2, and 3 under communications received on January 22, Laki Laban. Please invite the people concerned, especially Barangay Pandan, Barangay Council. So with regard to item number 2, the review of Barangay Annual SK Annual Supplemental Budget. January 13, 10 o'clock in the morning. So, pakihati na lang po siguro, madam, para hindi sabay-sabay. Medyo madami. So, to order. So, next item.
We proceed to committee review.
So, we proceed to committee reports. Which committee reports yung kailangan i-reschedule dito? So, sige. Yung committee report, item number 1.
So item number 1, joint committee report from the hearing held on December 4 regarding the proposed amendment of the Public Order and Safety Code.
Nagawa ba yun?
We move to this.
Wala? Nagawa ba yun? Wala? Wala? Hindi nagawa yun?
Hindi na tuloy.
Oh, sige.
Hindi na tuloy yung hearing kasi.
So, what else yung mga hindi natuloy ng hearing? Item number 1, item number 2. Ano nga nasa yung listahan ko? Item number 1, item number 2. Ito? Ito? Saan hearing ba? Hearing ba ito? Yung 1 and 2? Yung 3?
Nangiring yung Twitter.
So wait lang. 1 and 2 wala. Schedules for the 1 and 3 set. 1 and 2 wala. Number 3 yung nahiling.
Hearing sir.
Pero wala si 4. now to the session. Regarding item number 1 and 2 of the committee because of our city councilor, chairman on peace and order is on official business, shall we defer this to our to January, second week of January?
I hope that the response to item number 1 and 2 is our
Second week of January kasi maghihiring pa sila. Hindi na tuloy yung hearing. Pag-aralan muna natin siguro. Okay na pa tayo sa second week of January. Sorry.
Kasi para maghihiring tayo dito, may dito, nandiyan na yung firma, hindi na ganyan. Sa ating patipin,
Okay.
para mayroon sa dito.
January 16.
Ay, 16.
Saturday. 20. Ang committee hearing yan o regularly mag-session tayo ng 12? Defer na lang natin sa next regular session para dun siya mag-set ng ano. So, regarding item number 1 and item number 2, Councilor Ranoy, kayo po ba yun ito sa item number 2? Figure ordinance? Hindi rin po natuloy? Okay, so said two items are deferred to our next regular session para makaset po tayo ng specific committee hearing. So we defer it to January 12. Okay. So for item number 3, since the committee chairperson is not around, it's also an official business. Yes, ma'am.
Nakiwan ng visit, kasi ng chair, then ako naman yung vice.
Okay.
Nakiwan na ng committee hearing next January 35.
Okay, January 5. Okay. Defer muna natin to para at least. So, would you like to lead the committee report? I will defer, let's just defer it to January 12, and then she will set it on January 25. So, we defer the said committee report on to January 12 as well. Parang hindi na ako ba. So, basahin na ulit yung January 12.
Okay.
And then we proceed to item number 4, Councilor Abadakan.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the proposed measure be finalized for second reading on the next regular session.
Okay, so, kindly, gusto mo basahin mo ulit? So, please refer to the committee report and the said recommendation is to calendar the said ordinance for second reading in the next regular session. So, the chair, councilor, the chairperson, Councilor Abadakan, moves for the adoption of the said committee report to calendar the said measure for second reading in the next regular session. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Baxter. Okay? We proceed to item number 5. Councilor Ranoy. Sila naman po.
About the hearing of conducted on December 14, 2022, evaluate the document submitted by the KBPI Bayang isang ground follow running instructor for accreditation. In view of the above findings, the committee hereby vote for the adoption of its committee report and recommended the adoption of resolution accrediting KBPI Bayang isang ground follow running instructor and work partner for its inclusion in the business entity for the regulation approval.
It moved by Councilor Robert Illinois for the adoption of this committee report. The said item be included in the report of the regulation. Thank you, sir. Seconded by Councilor Albaco, Councilor Villan, and Councilor Albaco. Next item, we proceed to item number 6. Under committee reports, Councilor Season, item 6 and 7. Meron ba importante? Ano ba? Ibig sa gabi ba? Schedule na?
Hereby moves for the adoption of this committee report and the proposed amendments of the above cited ordinance calendar for a public meeting on February 13.
Wait, do we have kasi nag-propose sila eh. Meron na ba tayong counter proposal? Meron tayong counter proposal. Okay, so ipa-public hearing na natin yun. Okay.
Amendment sa ordinance 2020.
Ayun siya, nabanggit mo sa akin.
Aside
O kasi meron kasi, hindi na. Ang kailangan natin basahin siguro pag for approval, pero pagka schedule mo, okay na naman. So when do you want to
February 13.
January
13.
for the said two items?
Opo. Sa madali po ang
January 13,
10
10 a.m. sign off. Wala lang? Marami ba yan? Marami. Sa children's park na lang? O ba? Sa tourism? Tourism? Kasi maliit yun. Saan ba?
Kaya namin PME sir, pag makuha
Elite?
temporary din sa PME nung namin.
The public hearing is set regarding items 6 and 7 on January 13, 10 a.m. at the Plaza Enrique Residence. Please invite the people concerned and please make sure that our draft proposal is already prepared. Kasi kung kulang-kulang ito, eh baka maipit tayo ng bigyan ng discount sa kanila. Okay, so regarding item number 8, shall we
Yes po, mag-schedule po na another meeting.
kailan po?
January 20.
January 20. What time po? 9:30 a.m. Councilor Season Chairperson. The subcommittee scheduled sa committee on January 29, 15. So, meron tayo? Meron tayo na miss? Ang secretary? Yung sa dialysis, you make sure na kompleto pa rin yung papers. Meron tayong draft talagang for second reading para na-include sa lahat ng suggestion para hindi na rin tumagal ito. Okay, next item pa ng secretary.
I proceed to the business of the day. Under unfinished business, we have the proposed resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Presidente to enter into memorandum of agreement by making the city government of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Convoy of Hope Philippines Incorporated for the implementation of the Integrated Child Nutrition and Development Program in the City of Manila.
Any motion? It's been moved by Councilor Locke, seconded by Councilor De Leon, Councilor Abad-Bakay to defer the said item in our next regular session. Any objections? Hearing none, the said resolution is deferred for next regular session. Next item.
Proposed ordinance adjusting the coffee hours of the city of Alaminos from 8 o'clock in the evening to 5 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock in the evening to 4 o'clock in the morning. Adopting the provincial ordinance number 2020-252 of the province of Alaminos.
Ano mas maganda? I-adapt na natin yung ordinance o gamitin na natin yung ordinance na gumawa tayong ordinance? Pareho lang? Oh.
Kami may existing ordinance.
Sir, yung parawan ng research.
Sir, meron po kasing existing ordinance ng City of Alaminos. So, kailangan po natin ano po po i-unload po natin.
O yung dati?
8 to 5, sir, yung dati. So, i-unload lang po natin. May provisions po.
Okay. So, okay. For example, mag-biglang edit na naman nila, gawin ng 11 to 4. Sabi na naman tayo ng Councilor Alfred De Castro moves to calendar the said ordinance for second final reading today. In second final reading in our session today. Any objection? If not, the said item is calendared for second final reading in our session today. Okay. Next item.
Proposed resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of the 20% development fund amounting to 1,535,329 pesos of the City of Alaminos for calendar year 2020.
It's been moved by Councilor Locke, seconded by Councilor Codilera, Councilor Bakay, Councilor Abulana Bakay, Councilor Leon, Councilor Lanoy, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Under new business, we have the second reading of the ordinance and ordinance institutionalizing Arbor Day in the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan, and requiring all civil society organizations, cooperatives, people's organizations, and other groups to plant one seedling per member as part of community social responsibility.
So we, in the absence of the chair, let's defer this to our next regular session. Next item.
Third and final reading of the ordinance, an ordinance establishing burial sites for death caused by communicable disease in all public and private cemeteries, memorial parks in the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Councilor Locke, second. It has been moved by Councilor Sirigo Locke, seconded by Councilor Al-Bakay, Councilor De Leon, and Councilor Provincial for the enactment of the said ordinance. Sponsored by Councilor Sirigo Locke. Any objection? Amendment, discussion, hearing on the said ordinance is hereby enacted. Next item.
Resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of the Special Purpose Appropriation Fund amounting to 1,512,465 pesos and 90 centavos, and the Special Purpose Fund amounting to 512,856 pesos of the City of Alaminos for calendar year 2020.
Moved by Councilor Locke, seconded by Councilor Codilera, Councilor Lanoy, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Francis Celeste to enter into memorandum of agreement by and between the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Region 1 Medical Center as partner hospital where patients undergoing dialysis may be referred to in case of emergency medical needs.
Councilor Applebahay. It's been moved by Councilor Applebahay, seconded by Councilor Susan, Councilor Dillon, Councilor Nan, Councilor Locke, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of special purpose appropriation fund amounting to 1,901,263 pesos and 94 centavos of the City of Alaminos for calendar year 2022. May correction pala ito.
Yes.
669,000, amounting to 669,963 pesos and 75 centavos.
That's corrected now. It's been moved by Councilor Locke, seconded by Councilor Pandeleo and Councilor Dillon, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. As corrected, amount. Next item.
Resolution approving in total the supplemental annual investment program number 9 of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan.
And in the resolution, twin ordinance. Sige. It's been moved by Councilor Cirilo Ladok, seconded by anyone. Councilor Raul Bahay, Councilor Dillon, Councilor Pandeleo, for the adoption of the said resolution of the supplemental annual investment program number 9. Any objection? Amendment, hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
An ordinance enacting supplemental budget number 6 of the local government unit of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan for the operation of the city government.
So, okay na tayo dun sa 300,000 mga galing sa Sanggunian. Okay na tayo doon? Oo. Chairless for a 1 minute recess. Moved by Councilor Cirilo Ladok, any second. Seconded by Councilor Olbakay. Seconded by all for the enactment of the said ordinance. Any objection? Hearing none, the said ordinance, supplemental budget number 6, is hereby enacted. Next item.
Resolution providing for the extension of the suspension of collection of parking fee for todas in the City of Alaminos.
For 6 months?
I need the approval of the resolution.
Ilang buwan ka? 6 months? O 6 months? Okay lang tayo sa 6 months ba? O 3 months muna? 6 months? Okay. Is it, Councilor Ladok?
Sa title po, yung mga resolution, stating na lang ikin kasi, o resolution number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Okay lang ba? Resolution extending the efficacy of resolution number ganito, providing the ordinance ba yung dati? Ordinance?
Hindi ko ma-sure. Resolution lang siya.
Resolution lang. Ngayon collection of fees, diba? So, resolution extending the efficacy of resolution number blank to hold the collection of parking fees for our tricycle operators. Kasi mag-renew sila by January pala yun, no? Up to June 30. June 30, 2021. Okay na yun. So it is removed by Councilor Raul Bakay, seconded by Councilor Badok for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objections, concerns? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Kasi marami pa yung mga motor boat din, marami pa yun yung mga renewal ng business permit. Next item.
Resolution accrediting the PGBI Balang Sandang Pulo Alaminos Chapter.
Councilor Lanoy.
I move for the approval of the bid matter.
It's been moved by Councilor Lanoy, seconded by Councilor Bakay, Councilor and Councilor for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Please invite the said organization in our next regular session. Next item.
Ordinance providing for the amendment of 40 hours in the city of Alaminos from 8 to 5 to 9 in the evening to 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, any motion? It's been moved by Councilor Secretary Castro, seconded by Councilor Radok for the enactment of the said ordinance. Any objection? Hearing none, the said ordinance is hereby enacted. Next item.
Announcement po. Natanggap na po natin ang resolution number 1079-2020 from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, declaring our ordinance number 2020-24 entitled Anti-Speeding Ordinance, the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan, enacted within the conferred powers of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
Okay, congratulations, Councilor Apple Bakay, for another accomplishment sa ating ordinance na mas mapapabuti yung ating peace and order dito at health sa ating bayan. Any announcements pa po? So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Happy holidays and enjoy your time with your family. Stay healthy. Yes, Councilor Rosahan. Ayo, maganda ang ating liga ng mga barangay president and the next board member ba o province of Pangasinan, ABC ng province. So, any other announcements? Wala na po. Councilor Martilera, do the honor.
Mr. Chair, no more matters to discuss. I move for the adjournment.
It's been moved by Councilor Rosito Martilera, seconded by Councilor Noy for the adjournment of today's session. And now po, isang ko na po sa the regular session. Okay na yung move ng date, no? Na pag-usap na adopt na natin. Ako, isang ko na po sa regular session to the month of December. Maraming salamat po.